everyone, it's me, Pomapo. Another video we're gonna make today. Well, I'm making, not you, but yeah. um, so in this episode, I'm going to ask you some questions. I'm gonna test your knowledge, and well, you have to guess most of this question right. You know, hopefully, if you can get them right, you're gonna be really, really good. But yeah, um, you don't need to you know everything, right? But this is just a test. But okay, let's go for the questions. I have it right here. All right, all right. First question: what is the last digit of 2 to the 10th? What is the last digit of 2 to the 10th? So, what do you think? We start really difficult, yeah. Well, the answer is 4 because the number it's 1024, so it's 4. Yeah. All right. Next one. How many time zones does Russia have? How many time zones does Russia have? What do you think? What do you think? Russia's a big country. If you said 11, you are correct. It's 11. Hopefully, my Russian viewers got it right. So, yeah. Okay, next one. How many official languages does Switzerland have? How many? Well, in Switzerland, they speak French, German, Italian, and another language I forgot. So the answer is 4. They speak 4 languages there. But yeah. Okay, next one. How many bones are in a newborn baby? How many bones are in a newborn baby? Well, the answer is quite insane. They have 270. 270 bones. So, yeah. Alright, next one. What is the largest desert in the world? What do you think? It's not the Sahara. If you say the Sahara, it's wrong. It's not the Sahara. It's actually the Antarctic desert. So, yeah. Cool way. Alright, next one. How many elements are in the periodic table? You have to be a nerd to know this, right? Well, the answer it's 118. We have a lot of elements. Yeah. Alright, number 7. What is the only letter that doesn't appear in any of the US state name? So what is the only letter that doesn't appear in any US state name? That will be the letter Q. Yeah, the letter Q. Cool. Alright. Next one. How many time zones does China have? China being Chilean. Well, China is huge, right? So it has 1. Only 1. Lol. Anyways, next one. How many continents are there in the southern hemisphere? We're talking about the southern one. So, the answer will be 4. 4. there's 4 continents. Alright, next one. What is the tallest building in the world? You probably know it. I know you knew it. It's the Burj Khalifa. Yeah. Okay, next one. How many prime numbers are there between 1 and 10? This is for you math nerds. So the answer is 4. There are 4. Alright. Next one. What year did the first iPhone came out? So what year? If you say 2007, you're correct. That's the year. Alright. This is a trick one. Look at this. It's the moon larger than Pluto? Do you think our moon is larger than one of the planets? Well, it actually is. The moon is larger than Pluto. Crazy, right? That's insane. Anyways, next one. What is the rarest blood type? You know, there's A, B, 0, negative, positive. Well, the rarest of them all is actually AB negative. So if you have AB negative, you are a rare specimen. So yeah. Okay. Next one. How many players are on a baseball team? How many players? Well, the answer is 9. 9. Next one. What is the chemical symbol for iron? What is the chemical symbol for iron? It's F and A. Fa. Yeah, the whole thing. Alright, next one. How many bones are in an adult human body? The answer is 206. I wonder what happened to the other bones, when we were kids. But yeah. Anyways, next one. What is the square root of 169? 169. So if you said 13, you are correct. It's 13. Yeah. How many keys are on a standard piano? Oh my god, it's actually a lot. It's actually, the number is 88. 88, that's a lot. Alright, next one. How many chambers does the human heart have? It has 4. 2 ventricles and 2 auricles. So yeah, crazy. Alright, next one. What is the square root of 144? What is the square root of 144? It's 12. It's actually 12. So yeah. Okay, next one. How many sides does a Dogecoin? I think that's how pronounced. Have. We're talking about how many sides. So the answer is 12. It's 12. That's a lot. Alright, next one. How many strings does a violin have? How many strings does a violin have? The answer is 4. It has 4. Also, fun fact, the strings are made out of animal gut. Yeah. I was surprised when I knew that, when I learned that, sorry. Alright, next one. It's flammable the same as inflammable? Well, the answer will be yes. It's actually the same. I mean, yeah. Alright, next one. What is the hardest metal on Earth? It's not titanium. I know. I also thought the same, but it's not. The real answer is tungsten. Tungsten. Tungsahur. Next one. What is the chemical sodium for? Sorry, what? Oh my god, I'm lagging. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? Sorry, my bad. Yeah. The answer will be Na. 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 Yeah. Next one. How many planets are in our solar system? What do you think? If you say 8, you are correct. It's 8. Okay, let's go. Oh, how many planets in our solar system have rings? This is a tricky one. What do you think? If you say 4, you are no, you're correct, actually. I'm just trolling you. It's 4. Alright, next one. What is the longest river in the world? Well, this question has 2 answers. But yeah, if you say the Nile or the Amazon, both of them are correct. So yeah. Okay, next one. What is the largest ocean on Earth? What is the largest ocean on Earth? It's the Chill Ocean. No, I'm sorry, I'm joking. It's the Pacific. The Pacific. Yeah. Alright, next one. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? It's in Minecraft, by the way. The answer is diamond. Diamond. Diamond is unbreakable. Alright, next one. How many days are in a leap year? It's 366. 366. Yeah. Okay. This should be an easy one. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? 21. No, sorry. It's 26. 26. Yeah. Okay, next one. How many sides does that hexagon have? Hexagon? Well, the answer is 6. 6. So yeah. Alright. Okay, these questions, the next ones are gonna be capitals, okay? So I hope you have a good geography knowledge. Alright, so what is the capital of Brazil. Brazil. If you said Brasilia, you are correct. It's Brasilia. Nice. Okay. Next one. What is the capital of Canada? If you say Toronto, you are incorrect. It's not Toronto, it's Ottawa. So, yeah. Okay, next one. What is the capital of South Korea? It's Seoul. Yeah, it's Seoul. Okay. And lastly, the capital question is, what is the capital of Australia? Australia. It's not Sydney, it's not. It's actually Canberra. Canberra. So yeah. Alright, next one. What is the chemical symbol for silver? What is the chemical symbol for silver? The answer is AJ. Yeah. Wait. AG? Oh, sorry. AG. I'm lagging. Yeah. Alright, next one. What is the chemical symbol for gold? What is the chemical symbol for gold? The answer is AU. AU. So yeah. Next one. How many hearts does an octopus have? How many hearts does an octopus have? I thought they will have 8, but no, I'm wrong. They have 3. They have 3 hearts. Yep. Alright, next one. Is Mount Everest still growing? Is Mount Everest still growing? Well, actually, yes. It's growing by year. By every year, yeah. Alright, talking about mountains. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Mauna Kea or Mount Everest? Well, the answer is Mount Kea. Yeah. Okay, next one. What is the smallest country in the world? What is the country that is the smallest? That will be the Vatican City. Vatican City. Alright, next one. What is the biggest animal that has ever lived? It's not the dinosaurs. I know you want to say it, but it's not. Actually, it's the blue whale. The biggest one. So yeah. Alright, next one. What is the fastest land animal? It's the cheetah. The cheetah. Okay, next one. This is probably gonna be easy for you. What planet is known as the red planet? It's actually Bruno. Oh, I'll just say Bruno Mars. It's Mars. It's Mars. Not Bruno, Mars. Alright, next one. What is the largest planet in our solar system? What is the largest planet in our solar system? Well, the that will be Jupiter. It's Jupiter. So yeah. Alright, next one. Oh, what is the smallest planet in our solar system? Well, that will be Mercury. Yay. Alright. Okay, this is probably an easy. Maybe. Depends on where you live. How many continents are there? How many? Some people say 6, and some say 7, and others say 5. But yeah, I prefer that. I think. Sorry, it's not prefer, but I think there's 7. So yeah, that will be the answer. All right, next one. How many continents starts with the letter A? Well, that will be 2. We have Africa and Antarctica. Okay, next one. What is the only continent without any countries? What is the only continent without any countries? That will be Antarctica. Yay. Okay, next one. What is the main gas in the air that we breathe? It's not oxygen. It's not oxygen. Don't say oxygen, okay? It's actually nitrogen. I think it's like 70% present in our atmosphere. I can't pronounce that word right. I'm sorry. I'm lagging. Anyways, let's continue. Does light travel faster than sound? Well, the answer is yes. Light is way faster than sound. So yeah. Alright, next one. Does sound travel faster in water or in air? What do you think? Well, the answer is actually water. They travel faster in water. So yeah. Alright, next question. At sea level, at what temperature does water boils in Celsius? That will be 100 Celsius. Yeah. Okay. And this question goes for the non-Americans. What is the boiling point of water in Fahrenheit? That will be 212. 212. Okay, next one. How many colors are in a classical rainbow? The answer is 7. 7. Alright, next one. What is the capital of Japan? My weeps probably knows this. It's actually, the capital is Kyoto. Nah, I'm joking with you. It's Tokyo. It's Tokyo. Okay, next one. It's a tomato a fruit or a vegetable? It's a fruit or a vegetable? Well, actually, sorry, it's actually a fruit. It's actually a fruit, yeah. Okay, Do sharks have bones? Do sharks have bones? Well, they actually don't. They don't have any bones. Crazy. Okay, next one. Is the Great Wall of China visible from space? Well, actually, this is a really misconception, but it's actually not possible. Very tiny, so you cannot see it. So, no. Alright. Next one. It's 0 an even number? It's 0 an even number? If you said yes, you are so correct. Yes, it's actually an even. Okay, now another math question. It's 0 a positive or a negative number? What do you think, huh? Well, it's actually neither. It's not a negative nor positive. Yep. Alright, next one. It's the Mona Lisa smiling in the painting? Is it? Is it not? Well, she's actually smiling, yes. She's actually smiling. Alright, next one. What element does AU represent? I don't know if you remember, but we did this. It's actually gold. It's gold. But yeah. Alright, next one. How many planets are in our solar system? Did I ask? I think I asked that question before. You know what? Let's just skip this one. Yeah. What is the tallest waterfall in the world? What is the tallest waterfall in the world? It's actually located in Venezuela, and the name is Angel's Fall. Angel Falls. Very pretty. They're very tall, actually. But yeah, let's go. How many days are in a normal year? How many days are in a normal year? If you said 365, you are correct. Alright, what is the name of the smallest ocean on Earth? Well, the answer for that is the Indian Ocean. It's the smallest one. So yeah. Okay, next one. What color is the sky on a clear day? If you say blue, you are correct. It's blue, yeah. Okay, next one. How many legs does a spider have? So if you said 6, you said 6? You are incorrect because they have 8 legs. They are arachnic, not an insect. But yeah. Alright, and this is the last question. How many fingers are on one human hand? Ooh, difficult, right? The answer is 5. We have 5 fingers. Where is your fingers? But yeah. Anyway, guys, these were all my questions. Hopefully you got a lot of them correct. if you don't, well, you can try next time maybe. I will do some more questions. But yeah. Anyways, see you guys and see you in the other video, I guess. So yeah, bye bye.